Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. On this tutorial, we are creating a cute little pair of earrings using the newest Softlex kit, Wicked Brew. I'm also including some other earrings that I previously made with this kit, just as some inspiration. And I will go ahead and link down below in the description if this kit is still available, as well as my earring tutorial playlist if any of these styles inspire you to create your own. So for this pair of earrings here, we are using the yellow turquoise beads and the check glass green spikes that were exclusive in the kit. And then I just added in this little heart bead that, if it is still available, will be linked down below. And then we have our adorable little ceramic cats on some spacer beads just to give it some more of like a little stacked look with that green turquoise and a heart. And then these beads were from the Jesse James bead strand, as well as the bead mix for Wicked Brew. And this was just a mix of the pink bead mix, again, with that little heart. So super simple. So we have our earring inspiration. And before we start creating our new little pair of earrings, this was everything that was included in the kit. So as you can see, Softlex company design kits are jam-packed with wonderful items, and you can really make a lot of different projects. I will go ahead and link down below as well the tutorial playlist where I have some necklaces and a bracelet. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. Let's start creating. So we have all of our supplies. We'll just need our 3 little pink beads on some head pins. You'll need a jump ring, an eye pin, and then just a couple beads from the strand for pink, and then an ear wire. And everything's included in the Jesse James bead mixes or the exclusive strand. So to start, we're just going to make our own loops with the tool, the one-step looper, so we can get a perfect loop every time. And down below in the description, I will link my Amazon affiliate link if you wish to purchase this item. It's a must-have for any jewelry maker. Move our sample off to the side. So we're just going to go ahead and add in our head pin and give it a squeeze. So it's going to give us a perfect loop every time. So if you have to make like a charm bracelet or you're doing your holiday crafting, it's a wonderful tool to have so you're not having to make all the loops by hand. And then once I use my tool, the one-step looper, I just like to take my round nose pliers and make sure that everything is nice and secure. You don't want to lose your little embellishments from your piece of jewelry. And now we're just going to open our jump ring. So this is a very beginner-friendly pair of earrings. So when we have our jump ring, we're just going to gently twist with our 2 pliers to open. We're going to add on our little embellishments. And before we close our jump ring, we're going to add on our eye pin. And then we're going to close our jump ring the same way. And we have the start of our beautiful little embellishment for our earring. And this is also a great way if you ever want to embellish head pins on your design. Just gives it a little bit of movement. So we're going to add in our acrylic bead and then our little pink rondel, our flower spacer, and these are great for bead weaving. And then we're just going to go ahead and attach our little crystal on top. We're just going to slide it into our tool again and give it a squeeze. We're almost finished with our pair of earrings. We just want to make sure that our loop is completely closed. We're just going to bring in our ear wire, and there's no front or back to this earring, so we're just going to slide it on like it was a bead to our ear wire. Take our round nose plier and just close our ear wire. And we have beautiful, super cute, and sparkly lightweight earrings created with the Softlex Company Design Kit, Wicked Brew. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the tools used in this video, like the one-step looper, as well as the products used from the Softlex Company design kit, as well as a tutorial playlist for Wicked Brew. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day.